And we're going to call this one ternary operator, ternary op2. Okay. And we're going to have integer head count equals to if condition, demo if condition 1 dot input enter number of guests. Instead of head count, let me call this one guest count. Okay. Why did I use int? Because the incoming value is of type double. Remember, like 2 weeks ago, we learned about type casting, that when the incoming value is of a higher type, you can cast it to a lower type, which is called explicit casting. So explicit casting, double return value to an int value. Just two instructions. I purposely wrote it like this. You also write it like this. Break down your lines 7 and 8 into 2 lines, because the next set of changes I'm going to make to line number 7 will require more space. That's why I left it like that. Let me know when you guys are done writing these 2 instructions and have also tested it. What's wrong with my output? Exactly. The singular should be guessed. And I can fix those kind of things also with the help of ternary operators. So let me first get rid of the guests from here. And on the line above, I'm going to now make a parentheses on which I will going to write another parentheses with a condition and 2 values. If the guest count is greater than 1, then display the text guests with a space. If it is not, then display the text guest with a space. Okay? And then concatenate that with the line below. So now when you run this program, if you enter, let's say 15, it will tell you 15 guests. But if you enter 1, it'll tell you 1 guest.